I'm going to show you how you can move crypto from Robinhood into an electronic wallet. The crypto in question we will be moving is going to be XRP. First off, you'll have to connect your Ledger Nano to your computer using the USB cable and then complete the setup by following the instruction. Every Ledger and every Go wallet will have a different setup, so you just have to follow the on-screen instruction. And then install the Ledger Live app on your mobile device or web browser and then add an account to be able to receive crypto. Now you can see this is what it looks like when you add account. And then you have to generate a receiving address by hitting the receive tab in the Ledger Live and then select cryptocurrency and then hit continue. Your Ledger Nano will now display the receiving address. After that, once your hardware is ready to receive crypto, you can now make a transfer from your Robinhood into your Ledger Nano wallet. Now, first off, you have to go to the crypto detail page and then select the cryptocurrency you want to send. So in this case, it will be XRP, right? And then just click on the send button to begin the transferring process. Now, you just have to enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer and then enter or paste the receiving wallet's address. Review the details and then hit submit to complete. And then that's it. You're done.